Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to fix a patchy lawn to get a lush green yard. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods for filling in those bare spots without needing to redo the entire lawn, so make sure you stick around for that. Rake and clean. Using a garden rake, rake the impacted area to remove dead grass or debris. This lets air and water reach the soil so new grass can grow. Be thorough because any leftover junk can block seeds from taking root. Once the area is clean, you're ready for the next step. Loosen the soil. Roots have a harder time growing and absorbing nutrients in compacted soil. Aeration aids in soil loosening and facilitates deeper penetration of fertilizer, water, and air by creating tiny pores. Use a garden cultivator or a hard-toothed grass rake to break up the soil. You can use a core aeration tool if the soil appears highly compacted. Driving this basic hand tool into the ground with your foot creates aeration holes in the soil. Overseed the area with suitable seeds. Using compost and a grass seed that is appropriate for your situation is a dependable way to manage patchy grass. To do this, apply a generous layer of grass seed directly over the patchy section, ensuring it goes down thick. Next, apply a skinny layer of compost on the seed to shield the surface and retain moisture. This straightforward mixture provides the seed with a nutrient-rich growing medium and protection. You should also apply fertilizer before seeding. Water the grass area regularly. Patchy areas that have just been sown require steady moisture to thrive. Until the grass begins to sprout, water lightly once or twice a day. Then the frequency will progressively decrease while the amount of water used will increase every session. You can also cover the patch with a burlap sheet when it's hot. In addition to offering shade, this will prevent the seeds from drying out while germinating. Mow when ready. Let the grass grow a little longer than the rest of your lawn until the patched area's color starts to blend in with the rest of your lawn. This could include 2 or 3 cycles of mowing around it. So there you have it. Fixing a patchy lawn does not have to be expensive or complicated. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.